Hi you guys. Again, I am going to be kind of whispering because my family is sleeping. I know I haven't been busting out my videos like every 2-3 days, and it's because my kids are actually in spring break. So we have been crazy busy. So as you guys can tell,
I would like to introduce you to my dress form. I went ahead and made my own dress form because it's something that I've been wanting to do.
yeah. So we need to name her. I don't know what to name her. But if you guys come up with a name for her, let me know what we should name her because she is a character. But yeah, I was actually tagged by Manecoarse. I will put her name, I will put her name up here. And she is also a YouTuber, and she is a seamstress as well, and she uploads videos. If you guys want to check her out, go ahead. She uploads very cute things. She just uploaded a bodysuit video, which is fire.
If you haven't seen her bodysuit, I don't know, man. I don't know what's wrong with you, but it's fire.
But yeah, she actually went ahead and tagged me, and this is the first time that I was tagged on a seamstress tag. So here are the questions. The first one is, what is your favorite make of 2018? That is actually my sunny dress. I will post a picture of it. But my sunny dress is actually my favorite make of last year. It's my favorite because I went to the coffee shop.
I went to work and I went to a restaurant.
And even my husband was like, wow, you know, and I took my kids to daycare, and I received so many compliments because it was actually like the first time that people were like, wow, I like your dress. And I could answer with a
Gracias. I made it. You know what I mean?
So it was definitely awesome. The next question is, what did you attempt in 2018 that you won't do this year? Déjenme decirles algo. So let me tell you guys something. I don't want to go crazy with fabric this year, and I want to use what I have.
But I kept making excuses for why I wasn't getting any inspiration.
That's why I'm sticking to savers, because I want to make sure that I can have that creativity in me, as opposed to purchasing something and putting that creativity on an item. Like, that creativity should be in me, and I should be able to make items that fit me with what I have. You know what I mean? Sometimes I need to take a step back and really realize how blessed I am to even push myself to sew. So that is something that I will not be I will try not to do this year, is go crazy and shop for a ton of fabric. And that's
why I only shop a couple fabrics or a couple things, and then I walk away from the store, because it's like, you're getting too much, you're going crazy again, back off, you know?
And I know we all work differently, but that's something that I want to work within myself.
The next question is, what will you continue to make?
And I will continue to try and make wardrobe staples. I want to make shorts, shirts, rompers, jumpsuits, kind of everyday clothes. What will you try this year that you haven't made before? I want to sew a jacket by the end of the year. So around October or November, I want to sew a bomber jacket. I think a bomber jacket is really cute with like high-waisted pants, or like really cute over a jumpsuit, or, you know, you could, I don't know, I think a bomber jacket is something that would fit well with how I personally like to dress.
Question number 5. Where do you see your wardrobe at the end of this year?
Where I see my wardrobe at the end of this year is, I see it close to complete. And what I mean by that is, I want to have my staples, my shirts, my shorts. I want to have kind of everyday clothes.
Items where I can dress and mix and match and kind of have a capsule.
And then the other question as well says, where do you see it in 5 years? And I honestly don't know. I know that it's going to be unique and different. Like, because every seamstress has their own unique style, and they flatter their figure so well, so I know it's going to be like that. I know it's going to be very flattering, and I'm going to be very confident in my clothing, but I don't fully know what my style is right now. Like, I don't fully know how to dress for my figure, and it's a lot of ups and downs on things that I feel comfortable with and things that I don't. And we interrupt this program just to let you guys know, just a quick little infomercial, that I am tagging Jennie Masterson. This is her name. If you guys haven't checked out her channel, go ahead and check her out. But yeah, I am tagging her in the Resewlutions Tag. Again, her name is Jennie Masterson, and thank you again, Manecoarse, for tagging me. That's awesome. And without further ado, now is the Dressform DIY.
Hi everybody! Hi! Yeah! Duct tape here! So I think someone else is very excited, but but my husband and my daughter are going to help me to make a dress form.
So here we go. I wasn't sure how this would feel, but I have been wanting a dress form for a few years now, but I haven't invested in one because I don't know how to use one. So I think this would be a really good start. I think a dress form will help me adjust patterns as well. I am a visual learner. If you tell me how to take in a pattern, how many inches on each side, I won't understand. I have to see it. You know what I mean? I don't know how to explain it, but I am an extreme visual learner. Like, I have to see things to understand them. I need multiple examples and pictures and videos so that I can do something. So that's why I think a dress form will benefit me, but I didn't want to go out and buy a new one and never use it, or I don't know, I think a dress form, a well-made one as well, like, you have to start somewhere, and since in my sewing journey, I am still currently starting. I think this would be a great way for me to just learn about garments and learn about my figure as well. You know what I mean? Like, all your measurements and stuff, how your body curves. I think it's an awesome way to learn without having to spend too much money. First of all, though, I spent almost $20 on duct tape when my husband didn't even finish one roll. Like, I am 5 foot tall, so I don't think I needed that many rolls. I thought I was gonna make it thicker, but then my husband said he started noticing that the more layers he was putting on, the more that it was kind of losing its shape. So we just left it alone. And here I'm just gonna go ahead and stuff it, and this part was the funnest part for my daughter because she got to play with the mannequin or with the dress form. I added a cardboard at the neck just so that I could tape it, or just so that I could kind of hold its shape at the neckline thing. But yeah, this is kind of it, you guys. Thank you guys again for watching. Thank you for staying tuned, and yeah, see you guys on my next video. Bye.